హాయ్, నా పేరు జగదీష్ తమ్మినేని. ఈ వీడియో చేసినందుకు ఆర్టిస్టరీ ప్లస్కు థ్యాంక్ యూ తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. టు సపోర్ట్ దిస్ ఛానల్ ప్లీజ్ వాచ్, లైక్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ షేర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
An artist with so much talent, who can produce such detail all over the landscape, has refused to show any detail on his own face. Why? I'll explain. Drawing yourself standing on a bridge can be quite intimidating. I mean, what will people think? Making self-portrait is not that easy. I mean, you have to be honest with yourself. You have to put your fears out there for all to see. But there's no need to have only one reading of a man standing on a bridge. Yeah, you know, the cliched one of committing suicide. In fact, this is one of the most positive paintings you're gonna see. It's full of hope, I promise. Jagadeesh is in very good company. In this work, he's surrounded himself with his own gurus, his masters, and their artworks. This image is a self-portrait, and it pays homage to all his mentors and the people he looks up to for guidance. You might think he's alone, but he doesn't think of himself as an individual, rather a part of a group, a long lineage of artists. And that's why he's on the bridge, so he can have the best view. It's that simple. But here the bridge can also be a metaphorical device. He's transitioning from one phase of his life to another. He told me he doesn't intend to cross the bridge. He just wants to stand there and watch the beautiful artworks. I mean, just look at them. He's taken inspirations. The sky comes from Van Gogh's Starry Night. The landscape is from Francisco Goya and John Constable. This famous sculpture, come on, everybody knows this, Ravindra Reddy. This banyan tree, come on, another legend, Nagji Patel, the famous banyan tree in Baroda, super famous. And here we have another icon, Dhruv Mistri. Wow. You've seen this wave for sure, the great wave of Kanakawa by the legendary artist Hokusai from Japan. It's a pretty scary wave if you ask me. It's pretty intimidating, threatening. What do you think? This gentleman, and I really mean that, is the great Saint Raman Maharishi. He's Jagadeesh's spiritual guide, strategically positioned on the other side of this threatening wave. Nice balance. He's peacefully feeding a monkey. Raman Maharishi said that your true nature is happiness. Yeah, think about that. He recommended self-inquiry as the principal means to remove ignorance and abide in self-awareness together with Bhakti, or surrender of the self. Now look at Jagadeesh once more. Look at how he represents himself in the most simple outline, almost as if to say he's not defined himself. I spoke to Jagadeesh and he told me that he considers himself to be a student, always a student, always learning from his surroundings and the people he trusts with guiding him. But in the context of Jagadeesh, these three words stand out: self-awareness, bhakti, and surrender. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you the medium of this work. It's not a drawing, it's a woodcut, a printmaking technique. It's real hard work. And this work is big. It's 72 inches wide. That's 6 feet. Maybe you're that tall. And it took 3 months to carve on a piece of wood. Can you see the details? Leaves look like leaves. Metal looks like metal. The water is fluid. Concrete looks like, what can I say? Concrete. It looks right. The sky has wind. And again, this is a carving on wood, not a drawing on paper. Wow. This heavy stone that has just grown wings has weight, it has density, and I'm gonna say ambition too, because that's what the artist is implying. It's saying, I exist. It's about to grow its wings, about to take flight. And that piece of stone, by the way, is Jagadeesh. And that's why this work is titled Art Village and Me. In a garden full of sculptures, where he's a simple, unpolished rock about to take flight. So, what did we learn today? I learned one thing for sure. This is how you do a self-portrait. Please subscribe to Art History Plus for more content like this. Please like, share, and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.